Melanie from EnjoyFreebies.com, and today I'm going to be reviewing a new mop for your floor. This is called the Pure Care Easy Slide Microfiber Flat Mop. I have a laminate floor in my kitchen, and I usually use a Swiffer, but that stuff gets really expensive, especially having to go through the Swiffer fluid and the dust pads all the time. So I am really hoping that this is going to help save me money in the long run because it's going to kill two birds with one stone. So let's open up the box and see what comes inside. Alright, so first up we have this rod here. It has a threaded end on one side, and this little tab here allows you to extend the mop. And then inside we have your flat mop head here. It has Velcro on the side, and then here's the little handle that slips around that. And there's also a little scraping tool here. It has a little bit of ridges, kind of like a comb, and then this is like little plastic bristles, so that you use that to scrub hard stains off your floor. And then we have this gray microfiber pad. It's white on one side, the Velcro will attach to it, and it feels like a carpet. And another microfiber pad, this one's green. It also has the white felt on the back. Go down one way, it's soft, and the other way, it's a little bit rougher. So it's almost like a little bit of a scrubby texture to it. Next, I'm going to show you how to put this mop together. So we're going to take our mop head here, and we're going to screw the end of the rod into the mop handle. Like that. And you can see how it swivels. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the microfiber pad, because before I start mopping, I'm going to sweep with this microfiber pad. So I'm going to take this little backside here and simply attach it to the Velcro. The rod is telescopic, which extends from 32 inches to 52 inches, so it helps avoid any back strain. The mop head is 19.5 inches, which is really big, so it covers a really large area. It has a 360-degree swivel head, so you can reach into lots of tight spaces, like under the refrigerator, under furniture, and you can even use it on baseboards. The microfiber pads are super absorbent, so they can hold so much more water than just a regular mop. They get into cracks and crevices that can't be cleaned by other widely used materials. And another nice thing about using microfiber pads is that you can reuse them. After use, you just rinse it out and toss it in the washing machine. So you save time and money. Right now, I'm going to show you how to sweep and mop my floor with using just water and the Pure Care Home Microfiber Duster. So first, I'm going to use the gray microfiber pad to do a little bit of sweeping of the dust before I actually start mopping. And look at how well it fits into these tight spaces. Look at that. I wonder how long that's been building up behind my fridge. Next, I'm going to take my green microfiber pad, run it under a little bit of water here. Bring it out and attach it to the mop. I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to just attach this right to where I took that out. It just sticks with Velcro. Super easy. Now let's get to mopping. And look at how much dirt it picked up. I didn't even have to use any chemicals. And once your pad gets too dirty, just take it off, rinse it in the sink again, bring it out, and put it back on for your next pass. And this attachment has a little edge here which you can use to scrape up hard spots. But not only that, you could also use it to clean up your microfiber pads. Yeesh. So my absolute favorite thing about about using the Pure Care Home Microfiber Mop is how much money it saves. You don't have to spend money on getting pads or even chemicals. It works with just water. And then when you're done using it, you just throw it in the washing machine. Use your little tool here to freshen up the pads. And they're good as new, ready to go for the next time you mop the floor. So I hope you enjoyed my review of the Pure Care Home Easy Slide Microfiber Flat Mop. If you're interested in getting this product, I'll put up a link on my video below so you can try it out for yourself. And as always, thank you so much for watching.